everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and welcome back to another LEGO video. Today, we are going to be looking at another monthly mini build from the LEGO shop. So this one is 40326. It was released in June 2019 and as you can see, it is a frog with a pink tongue and a fly. And I will show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time of this video, just see what's going on. So without further ado, let's get started. First up, we're going to get this 8x4 semicircle base plate, and at the back, we're going to be attaching this 2x2 side attachment brick in white. I almost forgot the name there. Okay, so we're gonna need a few extra bricks as well. So these light grey bricks over here onto the sides, and in front of that, this 1x2 yellow brick as well. Now, this frog has orange feet, so we're gonna be using these L plates to create some orange feet. So we got 4 of these orange base plates here, like so, and we just need to get this 1x2 base plate over here on top of that. And we have a lot of these fountain slope pieces in green. These are going to help style the legs and the body of our frog. And it seems like the colors are suggesting it is a tree frog. Could be a tree frog. I mean, you know, the bright orange feet and the light grey legs. And we need a side attachment brick as well over here on the front too. Now we need 4 more of those fountain slope pieces to stick on top of here, and I suppose it's time for the part of the day. So Johnny, what have you got for us today? So hang on a sec, I think I've done something wrong here. Oh no, I haven't. Okay, so the part of the day is tree frogs live in trees. Yeah, and tall plants, and most of them can change color to suit their surroundings. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so now we're going to make the belly of the frog. So we need this yellow slope piece, and underneath it, just to close things off, we need this 1x2 base plate. Just gonna stick it underneath like that, and we're gonna stick it over here. Yeah, like this, to sort of give it a little croaking belly. We also need this 2x2 standard base plate in dark green. Just stick it on here. Now we're really working up to the head of the frog, so we'll need this side attachment plate in yellow. It seems to go well with this belly over here, this nice color scheme, and this 1x2 base plate as well over here. Now another side attachment plate, just in dark green and inverted upwards, and we're gonna get this simple slope piece again, but in dark green as well for the head. And now we need to make the eyes. So first of all, we're gonna be using this slanted bracket piece in dark grey. And we're going to stick, first of all, the nose onto here. So we're just using a cheese slope for that. And the eyes. Now we've got these printed eyes over here with rectangular pupils. Yeah, that's nice. And I'm just going to stick them on here like so. We can give it a little bit of expression, making it look like this. Oh, it looks a little sad. Oh, what a shame. Anyway, let's just stick it on the frog over here. Also, underneath the head, we need this 1x2 jump plate. Yeah, I forgot about it. Don't blame me. Now, we're going to be going over the tail of the frog, so we need to move this back like this. So we need a 1x4 base plate in light green. Just stick it over here. And we're going to be getting these 1x3 slope pieces in dark green, one over here and another over here, sort of matching up with this stripe going along the back here. And we need just these little slope pieces to work over here to match up with these slopes that we made there before. There, like that. Now our frog has a nice smooth back, and there's just one thing that we need to do, and it's the tongue. So first of all, we need to make the fly on the end of the tongue. So we're going to be using this L plate but in white, and we're going to get this side attachment plate in black. Just stick this like that, and we have a nice little simple fly. And for the tongue, we're going to be using this elephant trunk piece. Well, it could be an elephant trunk piece, could be some sort of exotic flower piece as well. We're going to stick this notch into the jumper plate here, and we're going to stick this part of the fly to the end of the tongue, a bit over there. And there we've done it. So there we have it. Our little tree frog is complete. Of course, this could be some other sort of frog if you wish, but for me it does look like a tree frog with the light green and bright orange legs. And we've got some nice pieces embedded into this, especially this tongue over here. You can take that tongue out for it to be a sort of normal frog as well, and you can take it off the bass player as well if you like, to make it hop about a little bit. And of course you can adjust the colors, as we know now. Tree frogs can actually change color. I thought it was just chameleons that change color, but apparently tree frogs can as well. And of course you can make some more flies for it to catch as well. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building! Blah, blah, blah.